receipt. Oops. There you go. The receipt. Oops. Let's open it. Louis Vuitton. Here's the coated fabric cowhide leather trim. What is this? Guess what? Smells good. Smells good. Let me see. Look. It's nice, huh? Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. It says made in Spain. Right here, M9781. It's right here, the code